Third day on the trail. Woo. It's cold out here. We're on Boot Canyon Trail, right?
Yeah.
I'm liking this little Boot Canyon.
Yeah.
It's pretty cool.
It's really different.
Yeah. It's very fun. There's a section in the Smokies that's very similar to this. Not quite as dry. Do do do. That's a nice little view. Because now I can actually see everyone. Maybe. With my camera.
Like chapstick. Exactly.
Oh, well, you know. Hey. I think everyone's back there.
I don't really know what you can see in this.
Is the timer going? Yeah, okay.
Goodbye, tree.
This one. Yeah, I sat down. You good? You're good. Trish.
Good, mine's light.
Yeah, don't do that. Hey guys. Hey, is there a chance you can come right here?
Oh, probably.
Just for a picture?
Yeah.
I'm not sure if we're close enough to see everybody.
Yeah, move your still.
Hi.
Yeah, good to see.
That was a really cool shot a second ago. I didn't get it. Graham's doing spirit fingers in the back.
Huh? Oh no, I'm just deflating my sausage fingers.
How are your hands doing there, Grams? Still sausagey?
I can feel the tingle.
Mine are kind of sausagey, but I don't think they're as sausagey as yours. Hey guys, it's town day.
Town day!
Oh, it's a circle. Has no corners.
Oh, we lost one.
Oh,
Where'd Connie go?
I am really glad we came down that way. Where is Connie? We lost Connie. We were supposed to bring Connie back.
Who specifically told us to bring Connie back?
Shoot.
No one else. Just Connie.
I see a hat. It's coming. I don't know if she heard you. No. We found her!
Hey.
She's here! Made it. Made a full loop. Not quite to the parking lot. This is the lollipop stick. Woo, yeah. Yay! Woo!
Yeah.
Puffin' and puffin'.
Yeah.
Woo woo! Woo! Made it to the Forerunner.
Spray. Oh. Yeah, sorry. I don't have one. I did not know you were videoing.
Do you ever know? Oh good, I'm glad you got that. I'll spin it.
This there. Everyone gets sunburned.
Whoa! Sorry, I didn't mean that.
I was like, sorry.
Sorry.